How to make AI video for business. Well, you need a video for your business. To generate a video by AI tools for your company or real estate, first you need a text. Next, you need an account in this website. I put the link in the description. Click on the link. Then click on the trial option here to sign up and create an account. To create an account, you can use your Google account. Choose your Gmail here. Your account has been created easily in Pictory AI video generator tool. Now, this is the main page of this website. You have too many options here, but you do not need anything, just this script to video option. Click and continue. Here, you have to paste the text you have provided. Copy the text and paste here. This is my script. I generate this by ChatGPT. In this page, you have some options to choose, but I suggest you do not change anything. I explain for you, Edu. The first option here is for making highlight words automatically by AI. If you don't want this AI video generator make some words highlight for you, so turn this off. The next option is for choosing video automatically. That I think we use AI Video Maker to do exactly these things for us, so let it be active. And the last part is for choosing video scene. If you want to include a video for each sentence, click on this first option. And if you want the video to change with each line break, the second option. And if you want the new video to be placed anywhere, click on both option, which I usually put on the option of both so that the AI can do its own selection. After all, click on this option to continue. Here you are. Your video is almost ready. You can customize it now. First of all, let me explain different parts. In the right part, you have all slides with a nice footages. These footages all prepared with AI tool and based on each sentence. You can facert watch all these scenes, and if you want to change one of them, just click on it. Then click on Visual section in menu. Then here you can type what you want. Pictory has a big library of high-quality videos, which you can search and choose any of these videos. To choose, just click on the video you want. It will change in 2 seconds. Now, for example, I choose this footage for this scene and I change it. Now, I choose this video from my video to show you how you can do it. Next thing you may want to edit is the subtitle. You can select it then from this toolbar above. You can make any changes you want. You can change the font size, color, and anything else you have here. Working with Pictory AI is really easy and amazing. Next option. That important is voiceover and background music, which are located in audio part in menu. In this section, you have a large library of all kinds of background music. From this section, you can specify the genre, mood, and purpose of your music. Then you can listen to that music by clicking on the play option. And if you like any music, click on the apply option to add the music to your video as background music. Here you have voiceover. Like as background music, you have some filter here too. You can choose gender, language, age, and another thing. In this section, you have 2 different parts for voiceovers. First part is premium voices and the second part is Pictory voices. Now let's listen to some of these voices together.
The only thing to do with good advice is to pass it on. It is never of any use to oneself.
Amazing.
Sometimes it is better to lose and do the right thing than to win and do the wrong thing.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
It is perfect.
I'd rather regret the things that I've done than the things that I have not done.
These voices are really great.
A man sees in the world what he carries in his heart.
Amazing. By the link in the description, you can check all these voices by yourself. Now, this video have good footage, voiceover, and a good background music. Before downloading the video, you can watch the preview from this part. If you enjoy this AI till now, please like and subscribe to channel.
Orange County Real Estate Advertised. Welcome to Orange County, California, a vibrant mix of coastal beauty, modern sophistication, and iconic streets. Famous for its sun-drenched beaches, upscale shopping, and world-class dining, this area blends laid-back coastal living with urban charm. At the heart of it all is the Pacific Coast Highway, a stunning road offering ocean views, luxury boutiques, and some of the region's most sought-after homes. This featured 6-bedroom, 7-bathroom estate, spanning over 7,000 square feet, sits in an exclusive community. Upon entering, you're welcomed by soaring ceilings, floor-to-ceiling windows, and a perfect blend of indoor and outdoor living. The home boasts an open-concept living area with a state-of-the-art kitchen, custom cabinetry, high-end appliances, and a spacious island for entertaining. The formal dining area and expansive living room, with a sleek fireplace, offer.
If you have any question, ask in the comments. Really, with just a few steps under 5 minutes, you can make an AI video for real estate or any business you have. It is amazing. There is one important thing here to show you. Format. One of the most interesting part of Pictory AI is that you can make video for different media in any size. You can make this video to portrait or square or landscape. Even if you change the size, your elements will not be damaged and will change according to the new size. Of course, it has too many other amazing features that you can use, like adding logo or some amazing elements. But what you need at first is making a high-quality video that I tell you in this video. And another thing maybe you need in your business is upload your own images. For example, if you are a real estate agency, you may have some property videos or images that you want to add in this video. In this case, click on Visual option. Then click on My Uploads option. Here you can upload your video. Then you can use them in every scene that you want. Too easy. I put the link for you in the description. Click Make Your First Video and work with this AI video maker for your business like real estate or any company even big or small. Try its features. And after all, if everything was good, you can download your video by clicking here. Based on my experience in working with Pictory AI for years, I think it is really flexible and has everything I want, and I can easily make the highest quality videos with it in the shortest time.